Welcome to Session 6 of Grade 11 Advanced Algebra and Precalculus. Today we study rate of change and average rate. The focus is to compute and interpret slope between 2 points on any function. By the end, you should be able to do these three things. 1. Use the average rate formula. 2. Compute outputs before dividing. 3. Interpret the result in context. Average rate of change is the slope between 2 points on any function, not only a line. For a line, the rate stays constant. For a curve, the average rate depends on the interval you choose. Let f of x equal x squared minus 4x plus 1. Find the average rate from x equals 1 to x equals 5. First, compute the outputs. F of 1 is negative 2, and f of 5 is 6. The output change is 8, the input change is 4, so the average rate is 2. If a table gives points 0, 80, and 4, 116, the average rate is 9. Do not stop at the number. Say the quantity increased by an average of 9 units per time period. Your turn. Find the average rate of f of x equals 3x squared from x equals 1 to x equals 3. Pause the video and solve it. Here is the solution. Work line by line, then check the final answer against the original question. After the video, complete these 3 tasks. Copy the model from the lesson, solve each one fresh, and write 1 error log sentence about the mistake you are most likely to make. Let's recap. Average rate is slope between 2 points. Curves can have different rates on different intervals. Always compute FA and FB first. Before moving on, write 1 sentence. The step I must protect is that small reflection turns the video into real self-learning.